In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to create a logo with Canva. Begin your design journey by navigating to Canva's homepage. Once there, effortlessly locate logo templates by entering "logo" into the search bar. To narrow down your choices to a particular niche or industry, include specific keywords, for instance, beauty, for a hair salon theme. Peruse the available templates. You'll notice some designs are adorned with a crown icon. This denotes their exclusivity to Canva Pro users. However, the platform offers an abundance of free templates too, ensuring you're not left out regardless of your subscription type. Double tapping on any text element lets you modify its content. Want a different font? Head over to the top menu and make your selection. Give your logo the colors it deserves. Use styles for a quick change in color themes, or pick individual colors via the top menu to curate the perfect palette. Introduce shapes, captivating graphics, or playful stickers to set your logo apart. Use the Uploads feature to incorporate your own images, videos, or even audio into the design. For those who love the raw feel of hand-drawn designs, Canva lets you sketch directly onto your logo. Once satisfied, click on Share, followed by Download. You'll be presented with options for file types and sizes. For those with Canva Pro, opting for a transparent background can elevate the professionalism of your logo. Your logo is ready for the world. Incorporate it into various platforms, or, if you wish, refine it further on Canva, embedding it in flyers or gracing your social media posts. If you like this video, subscribe for more insights.